Alright, I'm not making this video to flex. I'm making it because nobody talks about what happens after your first win. And so I made $10,000 in 1 week and I lost it all. And yes, you heard that right. Every single cent gone. But in this video, I'm going to explain why that might have been the best thing that could have ever happened to me. You see, I was scaling ads and running a product that I'd proven had worked. And the sales were insane. They were $10,000 in just 7 days. Not even, probably like 5 days, right? And so what happened is I felt unstoppable. I got greedy and I just kept scaling without looking for the actual signals that you actually need to be able to profitably scale. And so what I would do is I'd throw money into the ads, chasing the revenue instead of chasing profits. And then boom, just like that, it was all vanished. I pretty much lost all the $10,000 that I made to unprofitable ads and more. But so there are 4 key lessons that I can actually take away from this, because it's better to see something like this as a lesson in ecom rather than a loss. And so this lesson will be applied into your next product, into your next test, into your next store. And even though I'm losing money in the moment, it's highly unlikely that I'll lose that amount again from the same mistake. And so when it comes to scaling ads, revenue is useless if you're not actually making money. You always want to lock in profits first, and so that gives us lesson number 1, which is to prioritize profit before scale. Lesson number 2 is to prioritize data over hype. So don't chase the adrenaline of fast wins. Watch the metrics, watch the signals, and slow scale what actually works. I could feel unstoppable, but without repeatable processes, the hype won't protect me. So with that said, another priority is to build proper systems and have systems in place that prevent you from relying on motivation. That is lesson number 3, systems over motivation. And so that brings us to the final lesson, lesson number 4, which is that mindset matters. Yes, I lost $10,000. Yes, that is a loss that might have hurt, sure, but it brought me a lesson that no win ever could. So now next time I know exactly what not to do. So yes, I lost 10K, but I didn't lose my lessons and I didn't lose my drive. And so now I quite literally know exactly how to turn that same $10,000 into profits next time. Follow my journey, because I'm going to be documenting the rebuild and all the lessons I learned from building brands from scratch so that you don't make the same mistakes.